Hey there! Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've had it for a while, but I haven't put that much content on it. But today I said I'm going to start to put out content on my YouTube channel, and here I am. My name is Adiola. Adiola Kingsley James. Let me finish my full name. I'm air. I give people a reason to live, love, and breathe. I am light. I bring clarity and understanding. I'm unconditional love. I love because it's who I am, and I'm an example on earth that God exists. What do? You're wondering. I'm a life giver and a kingmaker. And you're thinking, am I Jesus? I'm his younger sister. Do you understand what I mean? However, as a life giver, I'm a therapist, a coach, and a hypnotherapist, all certified, if I must add. And so if you give me the permission, I'll give you your life back. And as a kingmaker, I've worked in the content and television industry for the last maybe 17 to 18 years, professionally, because I was born in the industry as well. But professionally, I've done this job. I've worked for 18 years. And so I've made a lot of kings and queens. And so I am a kingmaker. Those are the hats that I wear. Now, do I have roles, other roles? Yes, I do. I'm a wife. I'm a mother and a stepmother. And I also run other organizations. I have some that I created and some where I work with other people or partner with other people. Those are the roles and the titles that I have. So what are we going to be doing on this channel? I'm sure you're wondering. Initially I was asking myself, what are we going to talk about? Should I focus on stepmoms? Should I focus on wives? Should I focus on career professionals? Should I focus on being effective? Should I focus on mindsets? Should I focus on lifestyle generally? Should I focus on your thoughts? Should I focus on, there's so many things. Now I can talk about all these things, I realized, without actually just picking one. Some days I'm going to be talking to stepmothers because I'm a stepmom as well. And I have a coaching platform, Owning My Greatness, for stepmothers. Yes. I also have Owning My Greatness for career professionals, where we talk about lifestyle, we talk about the mindset, we talk about how to create a powerful story around ourselves, how to give yourself the permission to be the star in your own movie. And so I'm also a wife. So I'll talk about being a wife and some of the struggles that I faced and some of the mistakes that I made and some of the learnings that I got. And I'll be very vulnerable because that's one of my superpowers. I'm not ashamed of anything that has happened to me or that I have done. I'm grateful for them. I bless them because without those things happening, I won't be here today talking to you. So I'm really excited. So we're going to be talking about anxiety. We're going to be talking about anything. And I'm going to ask you also to send me questions, right? Send me questions of things you want me to talk about, and I'll gladly talk about them. Some days I will choose words and, just talk about those words and create content around them. Some days it will be about children because I've got my own biological child, and I've also got my stepchildren. I'll be talking about some of the our hurdles and how we cross them, right? I also have books that I'm writing. I have courses that I'm producing as well. So it's going to be a wholesome channel, right? I want to raise, and my desire, let me change that want to a desire. My desire is to raise billions of wholesome people all over the world, because when you have more wholesome people in the world, we'll live in a happier place and in a happier world. And that's the world that I want to live in. Okay? I don't want to live in a place where they're fighting all the time, we're backbite. I want peace. I want love. I want compassion. I want empathy. So we're going to be talking about different things. Some days we will just meditate, and I'll show you how you can be a superstar in your own movie. Some days we're just going to be creating. Some days I'm going to be telling you some of my personal struggles. Some days I'm going to share some of my personal victories. Some days it will be different things. And so this is my channel where I will be sharing different things that are happening in my life, different things that are happening around me, and how you can shield yourself from so many things. So it will be educative, it will be entertaining, it will be informative, it will be transformational, it will be inspiring as well, and a bit of, motivation here and there. So join me on this channel. Subscribe today so that you can enjoy all the content I'm going to be putting out. I will be here as often as I can and drop as much content as I can on this platform and on this channel. And we're going to be in for a good time because, as you can see, I wear a lot of hats. Yes, I wear a lot of hats. So if you have questions, you want support, I'm one big advocate for shouting at the rooftop when you need help. Because if I didn't shout when I needed help, I won't be here today. So I'm a huge advocate for, if you have a challenge, seek help. I'm here for you. Okay? I'm here for you today. I'm here for you tomorrow. I'm here for you every day. To be able to share, if I have personal experiences, I'll share. If I don't, I'll tell you to. But there's definitely a lot of things that I can teach. There are definitely a lot of tools that I can teach. There are a lot of tricks, even with your profession, what you want to do as work. Coming up with a new skill. I'm loaded, guys. I promise you. I'm so loaded because I'm consistently growing. I'm consistently learning. I'm consistently expanding. I'm doing different courses, attending conferences, because my cup must run over. And so I will give you from my overflow, not from my cup. And I'm so loaded, I promise you. There's hardly anything that I cannot give you one tip or one advice or the other on. I beg to say I might be able to give more, but hey, let's try and be modest a little bit and say I'll give you at least one thing. So join me, subscribe. You're going to be so grateful that you did to yourself first and then to me after. We're here for a time like this, and I love you and honor you. Once again, my name is Adiola Kingsley James, and I look forward to towing and going on this journey of transformation with you. Have a wonderful day and see you when you subscribe.